Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Welcome to my channel. Here I film tutorials, pattern and product reviews, as well as anything new and exciting out there in the world of sewing. So today, Love Notions released a very anticipated outerwear pattern, the Clef Coat. I made 2 of these, and I will share my experiences, overall review of this pattern, and leave you a few tips. As you know, I like to keep my reviews consistent and be as subjective as possible. So I will go through each aspect of this pattern in the same way I do every other review on my channel. First of all, let me disclose that I am an ambassador for Love Notions. However, my reviews are very honest and I never compromise. So I do get a little bit of benefit from that. It helps build this channel. When you purchase through my link or the code that I give you, the link is in the description below. I do get a little benefit, but it helps build the channel. And you get a benefit by having a coupon code, which I'll share with you later. Okay, the details of this pattern. Clef is a casual coat. It has 2 neckline options, so you can do a hood, a stand collar, which you can also wear unzipped. You can choose from a zippered front as well as a drawstring or elastic waistline. Sizing is extra small to 5X, and it does have the full bust option. We all love that. Sizing is extra small to 5X with a full bust option. All right, I will share this code with you for Love Notions with 10% off. Use the code GIFT4U. Now, a little note of this, it changes quarterly, so check my Facebook group or the Dorothy's Daughter page. I always keep an updated code on there. So if you're watching this a year from now or 6 months from now, it might be different. So go ahead and check the Facebook group or my page and the code will be there for you. All right, wearability. All right, so this coat is so wearable. I love my Sherpa one. I just want to wear it all the time. One thing that really struck me within the testing group that I was in was how versatile this pattern is. People were making it in all different fabrics, and it takes on a different look and even a different purpose just by changing the fabric. It can be a spring jacket, lightweight hoodie, or snuggly fleece or Sherpa. As far as ease of construction, I think this pattern is an advanced beginner pattern with an opportunity to learn some new skills. So if you choose the separating zipper, that might be something new that you would want to learn. The welt pocket, it might be new for some of you. Applying grommets, buttonholes, depending on the choices you made, you may add some skills to your toolbox. I never like to say that you can't do it. You can add skills to your toolbox. All right, let's talk about that zipper though. Okay, I highly suggest you purchase an exactly 24-inch zipper for this one. Shortening the one I had was difficult to keep the area within the join of the collar neat. All right, also measure your zipper because some aren't exactly as long as they say. Here's an example. I got this off of Amazon and I wanted to use it in an Ohio State version that I'm planning on making. And it's not 24 inches. It's only like 20. So watch out, especially if you've gotten them from Amazon or whatever. Watch out and make sure that it is as long as it says it is, because if it's not long enough, you're going to have an issue with this coat. Okay, as far as sizing, with this wide size range, extra small to 5X, it'll fit nearly everyone. I also found it's very true to size. So as far as my measurements go, my upper bust is 39, my bust is 43, and I chose to make a size large with a full bust option. And it's got plenty of room. I've got plenty of room to wear over clothing, and it's very true to size. So as far as materials, the things you need other than fabric, it depends on the view that you choose. But it could be that you need a separating zipper, grommets, elastic, drawstring, or buttons, depending on what view you do. All right, as far as fabric goes, I chose this fleece for my fit version that I did of the test. and Sherpa for the second. And you could use twill, ponte, French terry, canvas, double-sided quilt fabric, denim. I mean, you could just use anything. The list goes on. So you can just get creative with your fabric. If you haven't yet clicked that subscribe button, I hope you will do that, as well as give me a thumbs up. I don't want you to miss any new pattern reviews or tutorials. It also helps YouTube know what kind of content you like to watch, and it helps other people find my channel. Again, get an extra 10% off at Love Notions if you use my code. Gift for you, and that changes quarterly, so watch the Facebook group if you're not watching this currently. The Clef Coat is a wonderful pattern that has amazing possibilities. My next one is going to be made of a lightweight French terry, this red here, and I'm going to embroider the Ohio State logo on the chest rather than the pocket. So I think that'll be neat. I've got a gray contrasty zipper that I ordered for it here, and I did measure this one to make sure it really is 24 inches. All right, and anyway, click that link below, head over and grab this pattern. I think it's one you're really going to like. And until I see you in the next video, happy sewing, and don't forget to hold your family close. Life is short.